It is cruise news time again. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, let's start off with the federal mask mandate. Of course, that's the one that requires you wear a mask on airplanes, trains, public transportation, and of course, the cruise terminal during embarkation and disembarkation. Well, it was set to expire here on April the 18th, and unfortunately for cruisers, that has been extended 15 more days out until May the 3rd. So, for cruisers, if you are flying to your cruise port, home from your cruise port, taking any kind of public transportation to get to the cruise port, you will still have to continue to wear the mask after April the 18th, and of course you will have to continue wearing it in the terminal during embarkation and disembarkation, at least here in the United States. Each individual cruise line has their own mask requirement after that, and of course any local requirements for the ports that you visit. All right, now Carnival Cruise Lines, they have made some changes to their protocols again as of April the 12th. And while it only affects a small number of guests, they have made some changes to the COVID testing pricing for unvaccinated passengers. So unvaccinated children ages 5 through 11, the COVID test was costing $150, and Carnival has now lowered that price down to $60. And children ages 2 through 4, their COVID test was $60, and that test will now be complimentary. However, everybody else, age 12 and above, who is unvaccinated and required to take the COVID test, it still will be $150 per person applied to your sign and sail account. Now, any guests that applied for a cruise exemption or a vaccination exemption with Carnival Cruise Lines or are traveling with children ages 11 and younger, you should have already received notification from Carnival Cruise Lines about these changes. If you haven't seen it yet, keep an eye on your email, and it will cover any changes, price changes that can affect your upcoming cruise. So just a little opportunity for some cruisers, some unvaccinated cruisers, to at least save a little bit of money on their upcoming cruises. We know that is always a good thing. I personally think that the COVID testing, it's going to be with us here for a little bit longer. They're still talking in the news about the new COVID variant, rising cases. I've seen on the news where mask mandates are coming back for like Pennsylvania. As those cases continue to rise, hopefully this is not something that comes back on board the cruise ships, but it is something we need to keep an eye on just to make sure. And like I said, with all that going on, I kind of suspect we're going to continue to see testing requirements for cruises, at least here in the near future. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.